ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್, ಆಟ್ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್. ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್. ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್. Okay, uniform price, what does it mean? Uniform price means same price. Okay, ಒಂದೇ ಬೆಲೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೇಮ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್. ಆವಾಗ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಆ ಒಂದು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿಬೋದು? ಅಂಥ ಒಂದು ಮಾರುಕಟ್ಟೆಗೆ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸಿ, ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ವೇರ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಬಯರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲರ್ಸ್? ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಯರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲರ್ಸ್. ತುಂಬ ಜನ ಗ್ರಾಹಕರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡುವಂಥವ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನು ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಒಂದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇರೋವಂಥ ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತು ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಸೇಮ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ಅ ಗುಡ್, ದಟ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಹೋಮೋಜಿನಿಯಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೆಲೆಗೆ ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ದೇರ್? It is of uniform price, that is known as what? Perfect competitive market. Okay, so what is perfect competitive market? See, perfect competitive market, perfect we can say, or perfectly competitive market anta kuda helbodu. Okay, so perfectly competitive market means it is a situation where there are large number of buyers and sellers who buys and sells a homogeneous product at uniform price is called perfectly competitive market. Okay, so next is features of perfectly competitive market ಅಥವಾ perfect competition features ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ತುಂಬ ಗಮನ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಮಗೆ 3 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. 3 ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ. ಏನು? ಒಂದು ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಯರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು? ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೋಮೋಜಿನಿಯಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್. ಫರ್ದರ್ ಮೋರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ನೌ. ಓಕೆ, so features of perfect competition, or we can say it as features of perfect competitive market. Okay, perfect competitive market. So what are the features? See, if it asks a question like explain about perfect competition or explain about perfect competitive market means first you have to write the meaning of perfect competitive market. Okay, then you have to write down the features along with the explanation. See, what is the meaning of perfectly competitive market or perfect competition? Already we have understood that. See, it is a market situation where there are large number of buyers and sellers who buys and sells a homogeneous product at a uniform price is known as what? Perfectly competitive market, or it is known as perfect competition, isn't it? So there you can observe there are 3 features there. One is large number of buyers and sellers, and the another one is homogeneous product, and other one is what is the price there, what is the pricing strategy, that is uniform price, isn't it? So already 3 features ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಉಳ್ಕಿದ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನೀಗ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, so the features of this perfect competitive market will be like this. That is, first one is existence of existence of large number of buyers and sellers. Okay, existence of large number of buyers and sellers. Okay, then the second feature is homogeneous product. The second feature is homogeneous product. Okay, then what is meant by homogeneous product? Homogeneous means what? We can also say it as similar product. Okay, then the other feature is uniform price. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್. ದೆನ್ other feature is free entry and exit of firms. Free entry and exit of firms. Free entry and exit of firms. Okay, next, perfect knowledge. Perfect knowledge. Okay, that is also another feature of this perfectly competitive market. And another one is firm is a price taker. Okay, what is the other feature here? Firm is a price taker. Firm is a price taker. Okay, see, these are the features of perfect competition or perfectly competitive market. Okay, so first ನಾವು ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ದ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ದ meaning of this perfectly competitive market. What do you mean by perfectly competitive market? A market situation where there are large number of buyers and sellers. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫೀಚರ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಯರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ sellers. Okay, who buys and sells a homogeneous product. So what type of product do they buy and sell there? Buyer and seller, they will be buying and selling what type of product? Homogeneous product. Homogeneous means what? Similar product, isn't it? Similar product. So that is the second feature. At a uniform price. Alva meaning alla ide nodi. At a uniform price ಅಂದರೆ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್, ಒಂದೇ ಬೆಲೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಕಂಪನಿ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಫರ್ಮ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಸೊ ಒಂದೇ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ನ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದೇ ಬೆಲೆಗೆ ಸೇಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಥವಾ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ಗೆ ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾರಿಗೆ? ಬಯರ್ಸ್ಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಬಯರ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಪರ್ಚೇಸಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್. So homogeneous product we call. Then other feature we have, that is uniform price or single price. Next, free entry and exit of firms. Free entry means what? Whichever the firm they want, no, they will be entering the market. Free entry and exit of firms we can say. Then other one is perfect knowledge, isn't it? Perfect knowledge. So this large number of buyers and sellers, what we said, no, buyers and sellers will be having a perfect knowledge, means all the information they will be knowing about the market. Next, firm is a price taker. So firm will be deciding the market price. So these are the features. In the next class we will be knowing in detail about these features. Okay. So what did we understand in today's class? See, today we have solved the problem related to total product, marginal product and average product, isn't it, which was related to project oriented question and which will be given for 5 marks. See, there they have given one of the input factor and they have asked us to determine total product, average product and marginal product, and we used a formula there, that is marginal product can be calculated by using the formula MP is equal to TPN minus of TPN minus 1. Okay. Then we have calculated total product by using the formula sum of MP, that is by adding the marginal product value we can obtain the total product values. Then after that we have calculated the average product, unknown average product, isn't it. So average product value can be determined by using the formula TP divided by L, isn't it. So TP means total product value divided by one of the input factor what they have given. So by dividing that we can obtain the average product value, isn't it. So then after that we have started with a new chapter, that is the theory of firm and a perfect computation. So here we have understood about the market environment, what type of market environment exists here. So it is perfectly competitive in nature. So perfect computation concept here we have understood the meaning. So what is the meaning of perfect competitive market or perfect computation? See, a market situation where there are large number of buyers and sellers who buys and sells a homogeneous product at a uniform price can be called as what? Perfectly competitive market, or we call that as a perfect computation, isn't it. And we have come to know about the features of perfectly competitive market, that is existence of large number of buyers and sellers, and the other feature is homogeneous product. Homogeneous means we can call it as similar product, and other feature is uniform price. Uniform price means what? Single price. Okay. Then other feature is free entry. There is a situation of free entry and exit of firms, and perfect knowledge is another feature, and another feature will be firm is a price taker. So this is about today's class. We will continue in the next class. Thank you.